What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a sketch illustration of Speaker Woman from Skibidi Toilet. Let's begin today's lesson by blocking out the basic shape of the character using some guidelines. We're going to start by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. Let's start from the very top in the middle. It's going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom. Let's go to the top of that line, draw a straight line going across from left to right. Going all the way across. Now I'm going to move down and draw that again, going across towards the left and then the right side. Now I want to create a box in the center of our page. So from this line, let's step over toward the left, draw a straight line coming down, and do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the bottom. Now I can just readjust this, just bringing this in, then down across the bottom. Now I want to turn this square into a cube. So from the top corners, we're just going to angle this back and in, and then close off the top. Let's sketch a circle in the center of that cube. From the top, we're going to step down, going all the way around, come down towards the bottom, and up along the side. And go back and just smooth this out. And then we'll add a set of speakers along the side. From the top corners, you want to step down, draw a straight line going across on either side. And we'll do the same thing across the bottom. From the bottom corners, let's step up, draw another line. From the outside edge of our cube, let's step out, draw a straight line coming down the side of the speakers. Now I want to create some perspective along the top of the speakers, so we're going to angle this up and in towards the top. And I'm just going to close this off, just coming down from the back. Let's add two small circles on either side, starting from the top, come around and then in, line that up on the right side. Let's add one more circle across the bottom. Let's place the headphones along the side. We'll start from the top corner of the speaker and go up. Just going to come down the side, almost like drawing an oval. Just pull that in, come around towards the bottom, and just tuck that up underneath the speaker. Now I want to take that shape and just flip it over on the right. Starting from the top corner, going all the way around, come down the outside, and just pull that up underneath the speaker. Let's add a seam along the outside, starting from the top of that curve, going out, just following that curve, coming down towards the bottom. And we'll add that strap going across the top of the head. Let's start from this point, we're going to go up, go around, and then back down towards the right. Now we're going to block in the body. Let's start from that center line, step out towards the side, sketch two lines coming down the side of the neck. Let's go back up to the top, bend this down, and then in towards the middle. From the top of the neck, slope the shoulders, coming down and then out towards the side. Angle this down along the side of the arms. Now that we have our basic sketch, let's go back and lightly erase some of these guidelines. Now you want to use this rough sketch as a guide to help us add some more detail and refine the shape. Let's start by rounding out the corners of that cube. Just coming around the sides. And we're just going to darken up our contours a little bit more. I'm just going to round up the back and pull that in. We'll also do the same thing across these speakers along the top corners, just rounding them out. And we're just going to tuck those circles on the side of that cube, on the inside. Now we're also going to draw a smaller circle inside. Just shift it over towards the right on the left side. And we'll shift them over towards the left on the right side. And go back and just refine that circle in the center. Let's add a smaller circle in the middle. We'll start by just roughing this out first, and then go back and just readjust it. Now I want to give the strap along the top some thickness. We're going to start along the base, and we'll just trace out the top, going up, and we'll add a thick band along the inside. So just tracing this out along the bottom. Now I'm just going to move down and add a little bit more detail across the body. So we're going to start with the collar, going down the side. We'll add the shirt collar in the middle. And I want to clean up our drawing one final time before we add more detail and shading. Now we're going to go in and start darkening up our contours. We're going to start from the top and work our way down. I'm just going to add a faint outline around the inside of that main circle. Now we're going to go in and start adding some shadows. We're going to start underneath that strap, just darken up the inside. Now the head's going to cast a shadow across the neck, so we'll darken up the top and then fade that down towards the collar. And we'll darken up the inside edge of the headphones and then fade that out towards that trim. I want to go a little bit darker across the bottom and then fade that up. Let's shade in the bottom of the straps and then fade that up towards the top. And we'll add a light shade to the face of those side speakers. And we'll do the same thing to the center speaker, going around that center circle. I'm just going to lightly shade in that ring along the inside. Then adding a little bit of shadow to that center circle along the bottom and just fading that up. I'm also going to add a little bit of shadow coming down the middle across the bottom and then just fading that out along the side. Just going to add one extension along the outside of the headphones. And then just line it up on the right side. And just darken up the bottom and then fade that up towards the highlight. as we get closer to the end, I'm just gonna add a glare going across the head and a little bit more shadows, and always be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Speaker Woman from Skibidi Toilet. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I wanna thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.